from doing tags to building infrastructure, there are a lot of builders around because guys, I'm just a few kilometers away from where the AI Impact Summit is happening. But nevertheless, a lot of builders around me. We're going to make them try Create OS. Let's see how quickly they're able to deploy. Come, let's go. Let's see what's here. Looks nice. So hi, my name is Sheena.
Hello, I'm Ankit. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
I'm doing very, very good. This is definitely not scripted. So,
I so wish it was scripted.
right. No, I've met you for the first time and I exactly know that you are an entrepreneur. So what's your business? What do you do?
So we are an infra provider and we have just launched a new product called as Create OS.
All right.
So do you vibe code?
I do vibe code. Honestly, I was not very happy with the idea of vibe coding because I'm a programmer and it felt like my job was being taken away from me. But it feels so natural and easy that now I can take other people's job apart from my own too, right? So now I can not only vibe code in the languages that I know, I can also write code in languages that I don't know.
Very nice.
Right, so that's beautiful and I have been very addicted to vibe coding. I've used every single tool.
Nodeops.network/createOS.
Okay.
Let's show you some magic today. Any idea that you want to build? What's your
I
idea?
want to build a tool that keeps me accountable for the gym. The big problem can be solved if I'm able to figure out hotels that have good Wi-Fi and are close to the gym. So I can just go like some people prefer crowded gyms, some people prefer not so crowded gyms. So it can just alert me using traffic data that hey, the gym is crowded now, hey, the gym is empty now. You can go there and you can have your fun. You can work out any country, any place I go to, and as soon as I work out, it gives me something.
Okay.
Right? So just keeping me accountable while I'm traveling, making sure that I eat well, making sure that I work out well. That is something that I would want to build.
Amazing. And I think that's a very good idea. So let's try to build this. Just go to create and put your idea in the prompt.
All right.
Let's just go.
Okay. This is actually good. No.
Yeah.
I just got 500 lines of code written. No, all jokes aside, this is actually quite fantastic. I love the fact that it has both the mobile UI and the laptop UI at the same place. I love the fact that there's a deploy, there's a GitHub button, there's a downloads button. Minor feedback, I would not want to see the code, I would want to see the preview right off. So this is really good actually. I quite like it. This is very well done. Thank you so much for doing this.
Totally enjoyed you building. You were very entertaining. In fact, you've been very entertaining since the time I've met you today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate
and
that.
thank you so much for trying Create OS and keep building.
Thank you.